Good morning, legends. So I wake up today with this idea of doing my own jiggy to catching yakkas. Uh, so tonight we go out the Goldie, and so I want to catch some good size yakkas uh, for tomorrow morning. So normally the jiggy they sell in the BCA or any store they are good, but I I can make my own. That is really reliable and the best. So it's for free. So I got this tube of silicone that I had in my shed, right? So I let it dry for a few days, just cut it off, and now I got this block of silicone solid. So what I do was just taking a small hook like this, right? And just cut few pieces of silicone like this. This is really easy to do, and you can do it in your own home. It's free. All right, so just insert the hot just inside, and you will have something like this. That's effective. This is the best for big yakkas. It's strong and it's beautiful. It's working really hard with yakkas, right? And actually vanilla or something like that. So I have this 30 pounds mono line, right? And I got as well 24K line. All right, so what I'm gonna do is just cut little pieces. Let me just put this one. All right, so I got this 30 pound and I just did it a hook like this, as you can see. So now I'm going to set this one here. Just like this, right? Just cut it. I just put in one of the jigi. Just like this, guys. Just like this. This is the best. It's effective. So I will put in probably 6 or 5 of them, right? And so I don't want to put you through the process because it's a little bit boring. All right. So I will put in 4 or 5 like this, and we see. You will see after. So give me a second. Okay, guys. So I already hooked 6 of them. So all of them. Let's go back a little bit. So they are like this, right? I made 6 of them, and I just put in a big sinker on the bottom. That's it. So they are effective. They're working more harder than everything. And that is for big yakkas. Why I do like this and just putting a heavy line just on the front? Because sometimes you are catching yakkas and there's coming some little GT or some kind of fish like that, and if you get this it's too light, you will lose it. So that is what I use. Heavy one. This is 24K and this is 30 pounds, right? So this is what it is. They are effective, they are strong, and they are free. So we go to testing tonight, but I know they're working harder with a big Yakkas. Normally the small one Yakkas, they are sitting on the top of the water, but big one Yakkas, they are sitting on the bottom. They go probably from 50 to 20 meter deeper. They are sit down there. So that is what you need, something strong and bigger. Because the one they sold in the and the BCA, they are so light, so I don't like it. So I made this one. I will testing tonight, and I will show you how hard they work with Yakkas. So see you tonight, and so now you know how to do your own jiggy for catching Yakkas, guys. So thank you for watching. See you.